Second question, they have given that angle BOC is equal to 125 degree, angle CDO is equal to 70 degree, angle DOC is equal to question mark, angle DCO is equal to question mark. CDO, where is CDO? CDO, this is angle CDO 70 degree, correct? In the diagram, DC is parallel to AB, correct? Look here, these two angles, if you add them, what will get? 180 degree. What are those angles? We know that angle BOC plus angle COB is equal to 180 degree, because they are linear pair. Look here, angle DOC COB is equal to 180 degree. What is angle DOC? Don't know. Angle DOC plus COB. What is COB? 125 degree is equal to 180 degree. Plus 125 will become minus 125. Therefore, angle DOC is equal to 180 degree minus 125 degree. 180 minus 125, DOC is equal to 55 degree. We got angle DOC 55 degree. What we need to find out now? Angle DCO. In triangle DOC, sum of all interior angles 180 degree. Sum of all interior angles equal to 180 degree. Here, in triangle DOC, sum of all interior angles equal to 180 degree. What are the interior angles? Angle DOC plus angle DOC and DCO plus angle what? OCD, DOC, DCO, OCD is equal to OCD, ODC, angle ODC, angle ODC is equal to question mark. What is DOC? Question mark equal to 180 degree. Angle DOC 55 degree plus angle DCO 70 degree. ఇక్కడ side 70 degree ఇక్కడ side angle DCO as it is. Angle DCO plus angle 70 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angle DCO plus 125 degree is equal to 180 degree. Plus 125 will become what? Minus 125 degree. Therefore, angle DCO is equal to 180 minus 125 degree. Angle DCO is equal to 55 degree. 55. Correct? In the 9th standard, we have already know that the sum of interior angles is equal to the opposite exterior angle. Yes or no? The sum of interior angle, that is 70 degree, and also this one is x, is equal to 125 degree. The sum of opposite interior angles, the sum of two interior angles is equal to the opposite exterior angle. That means 125 degree is equal to 70 plus x plus 70 will become what? Minus 125 minus 70 is equal to x. Therefore, x is equal to 55 degree. This is the simple thing. Hingu ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, hingu ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Answer same ಬರ್ತದೆ. Correct? Right. Third question. The question is diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD. Let us consider one trapezium ABCD in which AB is parallel to DC. The diagonals intersect each other, correct, at point O. What we need to prove? With the help of, by using a similarity criterion, you need to show that OA divided by OC is equal to OB divided by OD, correct? Okay. What are the given things here? Given ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium, correct? PE बता trapezium where AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC. This is the given thing. To prove, what we need to prove, to show or to prove? OA divided by OC is equal to OB divided by OD. Then proof. Let us consider two triangles. Okay, with the help of similarity criterion, we need to prove those two triangles similar. Let us consider OA and OC. Where is OA? This one is OA. This one is OC. Correct? Then OB and OD. OA, OB present in triangle OAB. OC, OD present in triangle ODC. Let us consider in triangle OAB and triangle ODC. Angle O is equal to angle O. Yes or no? Correct? What? Vertically opposite angles. Angle AOB is equal to angle DOC. Vertically opposite angles. Next angle B is equal to angle D, because AB is parallel to DC and BD is the transversal. BD क्या बन जाएगा? ट्रांसवर्सल बन जाएगा. Alternative interior angles. Angle ABO is equal to angle ABO is equal to angle CDO. Angle CDO, because AB is parallel to DC and AB is parallel to DC and BD is transversal. That means what? Alternative interior angles. Correct? Yes or no? AB is parallel to DC, BD is the transversal, angle B is equal to angle D. Same angle A is equal to angle C. Angle A means what? Angle BAO is equal to angle DCO, because same alternative interior angles. By angle similarity criterion, by A similarity criterion, triangle which? Triangle OAB. Triangle OAB similar triangle ODC. Triangle OAB similar triangle ODC. By corresponding, since the two triangles are similar, that means what? The corresponding sides are in equal ratio, equal proportion. Correct? The angles are equal. The corresponding angles are equal. Angles equal, but corresponding sides are in equal ratio or equal proportion. Same proportion. Understood? Okay. What are the corresponding angles here? OA divided by OC is equal to OB divided by OD. Okay. These two sides are in equal ratio to the two sides of the other two triangles. Therefore, by CPST, by corresponding parts of similar, by corresponding parts of similar triangle OA divided by OC is equal to OB divided by OD. Hence, proved. Fourth question, very important question. What is the question here? There is a triangle that is TQR, in which there is another triangle PQS. There is a line PR. They have given that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. They have also given that QR divided by QS, QR divided by QS is equal to QT divided by PR. Correct? QT by PR. What we need to prove here? What we need to show? Triangle PQS. Triangle PQS. Similar triangle TQR. There are two triangles. What are those? Triangle PQS and triangle TQR. ಅವು ಎರಡನ್ನ ನಾವೇನು ನೋಡಬೇಕಂತ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. To say those two triangles are similar, what we need to have? AAA, ASA, SAS, SSS, AA, RHS. ಎಷ್ಟೊಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. Correct? They have already given the sides are in equal ratio, but there is only PR. Instead of PR, we must get what? PQ. PR ಬದಲಿ PQ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊ ಮುಗಿದೈತಿ. ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ಗಳು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾವೆ. ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್. QR divided by QS. QR by QS ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್? QR by QS ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್? PQ PQS ಅದ, PQS and TQR ಇದೇ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಅಂದ್ರೆ QR divided by QS one side equal ratio ಆಯಿತು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ देखो QT divided by ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? QP ಬರಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಏನು ಬಂದೈತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? PR. Therefore what we need to do? Instead of PR we need to convert it into QP. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡೋ ಮರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ ರೂಮ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಡೆದೈತಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ? Okay, instead of PR what we need to add? QP. correct? PR के बदले में क्या चाहिए? QP चाहिए. कैसे लेको आएंगे? हैंग तಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೀಯಾ? They have already given that angle 1 is equal to angle 2 in triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. The angles are equal. The opposite sides of those angles are equal. Yes or no? Angle of sides opposite to equal angles are always equal. Sides opposite to equal angles. Equal angles, opposite sides equal. Understood? That means what? That means PR is equal to QP. Correct? PR is equal to QP. PR के बदले में क्या लिख सकते हैं? QP. ಮುಗಿತಾ? ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಬಂದ್ವು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಇನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದೋಸ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್? PQS, TQR. Common angle is Q. One angle is equal, two sides are in equal ratio. S, A, S. Similarity criterion. These two triangles are similar. Yes or no? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದ? ತಿಳಿತದ? ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಅನ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರ दो ट्रायंगल सिमिलर बोलना चाहिए. बोले तो corresponding angles are equal ratio and there must be one corresponding sides are in equal ratio. There must be one angle which is equal. Look here, to prove in triangle PQS and TQR, we already know that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. In triangle PQR, proof. In triangle PQR, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. In triangle PQR, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Then side opposite to angle 1. What is the side opposite to angle 1?
PR.
Okay, PR angle opposite to angle 1 is PR, correct? Therefore PR is equal to side opposite angle to QP or PQ. PQ बरते तो PQ. PR is equal to PQ because what? Sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle. Angles of a triangle are equal. Sides opposite to equal angles are always equal. Therefore equation 1 becomes equation 1 कैसा बन जाएगा? Here hang up to that. QR divided by QS is equal to QT divided by, instead of PR, PQ. Equation number 2. Now let us consider triangle PQS and TQR. In triangle PQS and triangle TQR, angle Q is equal to angle Q. Yes or no? PQS and TQR. PQS Q TQR angle Q. That means angle Q is equal to angle Q. Barilla angle PQS is equal to angle TQR because common angle. Next, from equation number 2, QR divided by QS is equal to QT divided by PQ. QR, where is QR? QR divided by QS is equal to QT divided by PQ. That means corresponding sides are in equal ratio. Therefore by SAS, side angle side, correct? By SAS, similarity criterion, triangle PQS similar to triangle TQR, hence proved. Fifth question, S and T are points on the sides PR and QR of triangle PQR such that angle P is equal to angle RTS. Show that triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. Correct? What is the triangle name here? PQR. Let us consider a triangle PQR. Triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, S and T are points on the lines PR and QR. S and T. These are the 2 points. Let us join ST. After joining ST, you will get what? Another triangle. Correct? Just we need to draw a line which is joining S and T. S and T are 2 points on the line on the sides PR and QR. And they have given that in triangle PQR, S and T are points on sides. Points on sides PR and QR respectively given. And also they have given that angle P is equal to angle RTS. Yes or no? Angle P is equal to angle RTS. Equation number 1. To prove, what we need to prove here? triangle PQR similar to triangle RTS. Triangle PQR similar to triangle RTS. Proof. Let us consider the two triangles. Consider the two triangles. What are the triangles here? In triangle PQR and triangle RTS, angle R is equal to angle R. Yes or no? Angle R is equal to angle R. That means angle PRQ is equal to angle SRT. Common angle. And also they have given that angle P is equal to angle RTS from equation number 1 or given anta bardha saku. By AA similarity criterion, triangle which one? PQR similar to triangle RTS, hence proof. Understood? There are two angles which are equal to corresponding. Sixth question. In the given figure 6.37, if triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD, show that ADE similar to ABC. What are the congruent figures? What is the given thing here? There are two triangles which are congruent. What are those? ABE. ABE is congruent to ACD. Correct? Since the triangles are congruent, that means the corresponding angles are in equal proportion or equal. The corresponding angles are equal. That means AB is equal to AC. From the triangle ABE, AB is equal to, from the triangle ACD, AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. Then AD is equal to AE. AD is equal to AE. Equation number 1, equation number 2. Correct? By CPCT in bracket, by corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Correct? Next, to prove, what we need to prove? Triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC. Proof. Let us consider triangle ADE. In triangle ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ from given thing or from given AB, let's prove equation 1 divided by equation 2 gives equation 1 divided by equation 2 ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಪ್ಪ? AB divided by AD ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡೋಣ ನಾನು. AD divided by AB, equation 2 divided by equation 1 gives AD divided by AB. AD divided by AB is equal to AE divided by AC. Correct? A, B, C, D, E. Okay, AD divided by AB is equal to AE divided by AC. This is the converse of BPT. That means DE is parallel to BC. Correct? DE is parallel to BC. By ಏನು ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ಮುಂದೆ? In triangle ADE and triangle ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನು ABC. Angle A is equal to angle A. Angle A or DAC. Angle DAE is equal to angle BAC, common angle. One angle is common angle. Then the corresponding sides are in equal ratio. Corresponding sides are in equal ratio. AD divided by AB is equal to AE divided by AC. From equation number 2. 3 yeah? Okay. From equation number 3. Look here. Side, angle, side. Side, angle, side are equal proportion to the other side, angle, side of other triangle. Therefore, by side, angle, side similarity criterion, triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC. Correct? Look here. What we took? They have given that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. Ivedu congruent anta avaru kottaru. Therefore, AB is equal to AC. Equation number 1. AD is equal to AE. Equation number 2. Divide equation 2 and equation 1. After dividing, it will get what? AD divided by AB is equal to AE divided by AC. AD is the side of triangle ADE. Triangle ADE. And AB is the side of triangle ABC. That means corresponding sides are in equal ratio. That means AE divided by AC. AE is the side of triangle ADE. AC is the side of triangle ABC. Therefore, the corresponding sides are in equal ratio. There is one angle which is common. That means angle BAC is equal to angle DAE. Correct? Therefore, by side, angle, side similarity criterion, triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC. Hence, true. 7th question. In the given figure, we need to show that triangle AEP similar, triangle CDP, triangle ABD similar, triangle CBE, triangle AEP similar, triangle ADB, triangle PDC similar, triangle BEC. Okay, first of all, we need to take first set of triangles. What are the first set of triangles? Triangle AEP, and in triangle AEP and triangle CDP. Look here. AEP, CDP. Angle AEP equal to 90 degree. Angle CDP equal to 90 degree. Therefore, angle AEP is equal to angle CDP is equal to 90 degree. What is this? This is the given thing. Next, angle APE is equal to angle CPD. Angle APE is equal to angle CPD because vertically opposite angles. Since two corresponding angles of two triangles are equal by AA similarity criterion. AA similarity criterion, triangle AEP similar triangle CDP. Correct? Okay, second question. What is the second question here? We need to prove that ABD is similar to CBE. Where is ABD? ABD in South Africa. Yes or no? Okay. ABD is in South Africa. Okay. In triangle ABD, what is the angle D here? 90 degree. Number 1. Next, in triangle CBE. CBE. Where is CBE? CBE. What is angle E? 90 degree. Correct? ABD. There is B. Yes or no? In CBE, there is also B. Angle B equal to angle B. Common angle. Angle E is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree. By AA similarity criterion, these two triangles are similar. In triangle ABD. In triangle ABD and CBE. In triangle ABD and triangle CBE, which angle is equal to which angle? Angle ABD. In ABD na angle ADB. Angle ADB is equal to angle ADB. Next angle CEB. Angle CEB is equal to 90 degree. What is this? Given. Next, one angle is equal. In triangle ABE, angle ABD. Angle ABD is equal to angle CBE. B is equal to B. Yes or no? Common angle. Therefore, by AA similarity criterion, triangle ABD similar triangle CBE. Correct? Look here. In triangle ABD, angle B is there. In triangle CBE, angle B is there. Common angle. In triangle ABD, angle D is equal to 90 degree. In triangle AED or AEB is the 90 degree. So, two corresponding angles are equals. Therefore, by AA similarity criterion, these two triangles are similar. Third question. What is the third question here? Triangle AEP. In triangle AEP and triangle ADB. Look here. AEP कहाँ पे? AEP. Then ADB. In both triangle, angle A is there. One common angle. ADB. AEP. ADB. Next, in AEP, what is angle E? 90 degree. In ADB, what is angle D? 90 degree. By AA similarity criterion, these two triangles are similar. Correct? In triangle AEP and triangle ADB, which are equal, angle PAE. Angle PAE is equal to angle DAB is equal to 90 degree. What is this? Common angle, la? Common angle. Second given birth. That is ಯಾವ second angle? Angle AEP. Angle AEP is equal to angle ADB 90 degree. Angle ADB equal to 90 degree. 90 degree ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Common angle equal to 90 degree. This is the given thing. Then by AA similarity criterion, triangle AEP similar triangle ADB. Third completed. Fourth question. What is the fourth question here? Question number 4. PDC and BEC. Number 4. In triangle PDC and triangle BEC, angle C is equal to angle C. Angle E is equal to 90 degree. Angle D is equal to 90 degree. By AA similarity criterion, these two triangles are similar. ಯಾವ ಬರ್ತೇಪ್ಪ? Angle PDC. PDC ಅಂದ್ರೆ PCD ಬರೀತೀನಿ. Angle PCD is equal to angle BC ಒಳಗ BCE angle BCE common angle. Next, in triangle PCD PDC equal to 90 degree, correct? Angle PDC equal to 90 degree. Angle BC ಒಳಗಡೆ BEC angle E is equal to 90 degree. So angle BEC is equal to 90 degree. That means what? It is the given thing by AA similarity criterion. Triangle PDC similar triangle BEC. Correct? This is the solution. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆನೂ ಎರಡು angle ಅಂತ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ನಾನು. ಈ 8th question. The question is E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram. Okay, we need to take what? We need to take a parallelogram ABCD. Correct? We need to take a parallelogram ABCD and E is a point which is on the side AD produced. AD is produced up to what? Up to E. Correct? AD is produced up to E and which is of a parallelogram ABCD. BE bisect the DC side at the point F. Correct? Show that triangle ABE similar to triangle CFB. AB is equal to CFB. What is the given thing? ABCD is a parallelogram. And what we need to prove here? Triangle ABE similar to triangle CFB. Consider those two triangles. What are the triangles here? In triangle ABE and triangle CFB. Okay. Which angle is equal to which angle? Angle A is equal to angle C. Why? In the given thing, it is a parallelogram. Since it is a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Okay. EAB angle EAB is equal to angle EAB is equal to FCB angle FCB. Correct? Why? From equation number 1. Next, look here. DC is parallel to AB and EB is the transversal. Yes or no? Here, which is parallel to which? DC is parallel to AB and EB is the transversal line. Consider the transversal. Okay, transversal. Therefore, which angle to equal to which angle? Angle CFB is equal to angle ABE. Angle ABE is equal to angle CFB. Okay. Alternative interior angles by AA similarity criterion. Triangle ABE similar to triangle CFB. Correct? ABE is similar to CFB. ABE CFB. Angle C is equal to angle A because it is a parallelogram. Then this is transversal. These two lines are parallel. Transversal parallel lines. Alternative interior angles by AA similarity criterion. These two triangles are similar. Hence, 9th question. The question is, they have given two triangles ABC and AMP which are right angle triangles. What we need to prove here? triangle ABC similar triangle AMP. Here ABC, A is there. AMP, A is there. Common angle. Number 1. Number 2. Angle B is equal to 90 degree. Angle M is equal to 90 degree. By AA similarity criterion, these two triangles are similar. By CPST, corresponding sides are in equal ratio. Therefore, CA divided by PA is equal to BC divided by MP. Hence, proved. Understood? Barena? You prove in triangle A, B, C and triangle AMP. Angle CAB is equal to angle PMA. CAB is equal to PAM MAP. CAB is equal to M or PAM. CAB is equal to PAM. Angle CAB is equal to angle PAM. Common angle. Number 1. Number 2. In triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to angle ABC is equal to angle ABC equal to angle AMP. Angle AMP, because right angle triangles. Right, or given by the sir. Just given by the net. Okay, by A similarity criterion, triangle ABC similar triangle AMP. Number 1 proved. Next, number 2. What is number 2 here? CA divided by PA. Where is CA? CA divided by PA. Hypotenuse of AMP and hypotenuse of ABC. Correct? Hypotenuse of ABC divided by hypotenuse of AMP. Next, base of what? Height of ABC. What is height of ABC? BC. Then height of AMP. What is height of AMP? MP. By CPST. By CPST. Corresponding parts of similar triangle. We can write CA divided by PA is equal to BC divided by MP. Hence, 10th question, a very important question. The question is CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB, angle ACB and angle EGF. There are two triangles. What are those triangles? ACB, EGF. Let us consider two triangles, ACB and EGF. Consider two triangles, ACB and EGF. ACB, EGF. Respectively, such that D and H are lies on sides AB and FE. There are 2 points D and another one is H lie on AB and EF. CD and GH are the angle bisectors. Angle bisector of CD and GH. These two are the angle bisectors. That means they make the angles into two equal parts. correct? We can write it as this angle is equal to this ACD is equal to DCB, and also EGH is equal to HGF, because GH is the angle bisector. Understood? Okay. What we need to prove that triangle ABC and triangle EFG respectively, if triangle ABC is a triangle FEG given, what is given? Triangle ABC similar triangle FEG, then what we need to show that or prove that. To prove, what we need to prove here? CD divided by GH is equal to AC divided by FG. Correct? Number one. Number two, triangle DCB similar triangle HGE. Number three, triangle DCA similar triangle HGF. Correct? Okay. One by one we will be looking into the solution. Proof. How do you prove it? ಹೆಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? ಒಂದೊಂದು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಣ. Number one. What is number one here? CD divided by GH is equal to AC divided by FG. Let us consider the two triangles. ಯಾವ two triangles ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ಪहिले? CD divided by GH. Where is CD? This is CD. Yes or no? CD divided by GH. Where is GH? This one is GH. Then AC divided by FG. Where is AC? AC divided by FG. FG ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ? ಇಲ್ಲದ? ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ತೋರ್ಸ್ಯಾ? In triangle ACD, in triangle FGH. ಬರಿಲ್ಲ? In triangle ACD FGH. Angle A is equal to angle F. Why? Angle A is equal to angle F. ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ? ಇವೆರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಏನದವ? ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಅದವ. We know that triangle ABC similar triangle FGE. Since the triangles are similar, angle CAB or D, CAB ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ CAD is equal to angle GFH. Equation number 1. This angle A is equal to angle F. Correct? Number 1. Number 2. Half of C is equal to half of G. Okay. Angle ACB is equal to angle FGE. Look here. We are taking bigger triangles A, B, C, F, G, E. These two bigger triangles are similar. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle F. Already ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈಗ. Angle A is equal to angle F. Next, angle C is equal to angle G. Angle C, ACB is equal to ಏನಪ್ಪ? F, G, E. Half of ACB is equal to half of FGE. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳು? CD and GH are angle bisectors. AB ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ angle bisectors. Half of C is nothing but what? ACD. Angle ACD is equal to half of FGE. Half ಏನಪ್ಪ? FGH. Angle FGH. Equation number 2. From equation number 1 and 2 by A similarity criterion, triangle ACD is similar to triangle FGH. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ACD ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಟು FGH ಎರಡು ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು angle A is equal to angle F because these bigger triangles are similar. Half of C is equal to half of G because CD and GH are angle bisectors. Therefore in triangle ADC angle C is equal to in triangle FHG G ಎರಡು equal ಆದು angle A angle F equal ಆದು. Therefore by AA similarity criterion these two triangles are similar. Correct. Number 1. Number 2 ಏನಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ CD by GH by CPST by CPST corresponding parts of similar triangle which is equal to which CD divided by GH. Next AC divided by FG. CD divided by GH is equal to AC divided by FG. ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನ ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, the second question is triangle DCB similar to triangle HGE. What we need to prove in triangle? Second number, in triangle DCB and triangle HGE. Look here, we know that triangle ABC similar triangle FEG. This is the given thing, correct? Since it is a given thing, angle CBA or angle B is equal to angle B is equal to angle E. That ಬರ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. Equation number 1. Next, angle ACB is equal to angle FGE. Angle ACB, look here, angle ACB equal to angle FGE. Half of ACB equal to half of FGE because CD and GH are angle bisectors, correct? Next, half of ACB DCB, half of ACB is DCB, half of FGE HGE, angle HGE. Equation number 2. From equation number 1 and 2 by AA similarity criterion, which triangle is similar to which triangle? Triangle DCB. Triangle DCB similar to triangle HGE. Number 2 over. Number 3. What is number 3 here? What is number 3? Triangle DCA similar triangle HGF. Okay, DCA. Where is DCA? DCA HGF. Correct? We already know that angle A is equal to angle F because triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. Correct? Angle A is equal to angle F. We also know that angle ACB is equal to angle FGE. Half of ACB equal to half of FGE. That means ACD is equal to FGH. By AA similarity criterion, triangle A or DCA is equal to HGF. Correct? ಅದು ನೀನೇ ಬರೀತೀಯ, just write.